Hakuna Matata, my country people at home. A big salute for outside here. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. 3 o'clock. Now victory time. For that side for Bafia, for Isambam and Enugu, 3 chief people. The day also for Kitu their hand, they receive better casting. After we did so, they carry television, them banga, tramol, who come back apparatus for inside the house. From that side to who carry una. Go to this side they call him Bamenda, Palava thief, one thief man, he don't solo a birth certificate for that side. When I get man for that side for old church for Aziri for that side for inside Bamenda. From that side for Bamenda too, we will break for inside Bui division for talk about Gunway in the Tonton Hala for that side. But to holiday talent show, it be work fine. This morning time, 6 o'clock for morning time. Inhabitants for Kribi, they come out block roadway to go for Paul. No motor they enter, no motor they come out. Why they block that road? Say it is so. Ngomna, you never paid anchu. Since how many years will they give them? That's a promise. Alter they can't take name, can't take name. So go walk on that side. Douala Palava catching of moto and Okada left and right for Sikawiti. Book Palava, driving license, and Doki, who go enter for Eastern and Dongamen, even talk bearing ground there. Die people go the vex. For Sikaweti, they do the chapter bearing ground them. You go for some bearing ground and run for new bed, it's not a cow that you work a chop. You don't go send me go next small prayer for until my main bearing head. You see now on the big shit for cows, so we sleep the way to say welcome sir. From that side too, we carry and go to that side for Nanga Eboko for talk about the small kind thing that happen too for that side with this. So Palava market them too small yawa too in the shake for that side. Even Bafia use them for Muslim for Hausa quarter for that side for Bafia. They come on go see this so they go clean that bearing ground. Carry collab and hold them. In fact, who come and be there for that side. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. As I come back, we enter for that to read Papa. Enter for stand actory country for talk about things that happen for inside this week country. But we go start now for this side they call and say with Kribi, deep sea port, which bring wahala for this sharp morning time. Activities they don't start for that side, but it never the flow like how Douala they enter boogie. Inhabitants them for that side for Kribi, they wake up this morning time, block roads. No motor, you need to cross the bridge. No man, you need to come out. If you on the work and out to food, wait to make it before they block the road. They say they so ngomna, you never pay the chu. Then chu when they be take their land there for do better work and for bring development for inside village. Now you make a way part them with my made for that side. They come out block road for that side for Kribi. So we all man the only one that say where why you beat it all time on time. The other you on the highway they under construction. Smooth say work don't stop. Oh village. They don't come up block road. Oh, for this side, they don't come up block road. They're broken of heart. They never pay one right. They never give one chu. Palava and chu for the country. Now, any ask now only see all man on the hook for hand and say, They the only way say me authorities them. They talk something. Even though you know say okay, they work kind of that 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock, but we'll be there for around 6:30 for morning time. Forget una better to remove and know how to the pass for inside the country. Maybe ask on one eyewitness. It take it to Koro I talk Christmas. But tell we, what it happen before we don't work out the food, we don't enter for some matua.
No, this morning we come back from work because we work all night shift for 10 o'clock, close for 6 for morning. So we return back to go back for house or go rest. We meet up the Dome Block Road and the people they will meet up and they say that they claim their rights. So they don't claim auto road, they know
pay them money.
They never pay them their money. So now whether they want me to pay them their money.
Thank you. Merci.
They never pay them their money. Alliance Jew. Now you where they come off road. But we enter for Bunaberi for talk about Palava accident for that side where every day for Bunaberi as rain the fall, motor the fall, jet food for the camion will stand so they don't allow wook up and I wook up after we it don't fall for that side. Today jet food for up, all chop it be there for down, all the vegetable will be carry on. They allow finance another camion it come before draw it to the motor stand for up after see how it stand for up for that side. So people they wonder they don't make fun for Bunaberi, but road signs they know they ponke. Road sign they didn't left, right. Road sign, they according to how it talk proper. Say me road sign them they did for that side because for middle they don't put some road the narrow way they put on middle so when motor they come, especially for night, man they see say no the road they find they challenge. As you put fire small so the only thing will happen I say to you either you go jam for corner road, motor tumble side, or you just say allow fall for that side so for it happen of a corner in between Machete Rai and the play the country and Saint Sonel for that side for Garutier. Even though Palava accident for Bunaberi, if fact a made company with fix road, try look something. The plan for that road, he fine, but the burning corner them. Now way he go under the sacrifice Bunaberi people then one by one for that side. We come up for that side so Master Rolando when I hit the press button this afternoon for someone to see my eye. Direct. May we carry on a go to that side for Bamenda. For Bamenda. Now for that side for Azri Ocho, that charcoal na she sleep for middle road so. Now some Borono boy, whiny. You see a police motor don't catch the guide. They burn in between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock for night. They be there in 3. Where they will go do small thief. Other one they slide like an okra. The boy na ye one way population, he hold for that side, catch you gone. Now under the chavum, when you be there for free, he go should who live for. So Allah, he surrender. People they vet for that side. First try for question is small. They say so even the question him if Kitu come, the man go that so and he go so continue to. And the man the work was not work for that side from Bengi Road. One time, now when they find tire with petrol, put up with skin, just fry for it like a goat meat, eh? They just burn out for it, then abandon any man disappear. Then any man say, no, I don't know, I be see, I be honest and I see. You will see who, if you been out for night, I don't see my body face. Police too, the only country that I want know for carry the dead body, carry and to go down for that side for inside Bamenda, all money complain. Thief. It don't too much. Even for that side for Limbe, they don't begin creating their vigilante group them. They put them in the secure quarter because now for Palava Anglophone crisis, they don't know who be who. Chief people and now they don't get that laissez-passer. Yes, they get that laissez-passer where they knock outside enter. No money reward them because for night do not belong to them. They just do as they like for that side. Carry now, and when they go do them, they carry and put and say so na amber. Then that boy them, not them. People don't confuse. Who come up for that side, even though gone, it is only tonton holla for that side for north and south, and people the only tonton die like a fowl. We don't know why this so now. So avian flu again, we don't enter. This one night the only kidnap people no left and right for inside the struggle. But any idea, we all the same we check out the telephone and the way we receive them. We come up for that side this time around Roland. We will continue now to come back for littoral. Okada people them for this time for littoral they cry. Because some Okada people they work for inside the wall, they didn't pay even one book. Driving license no get up. Even Dantite for the pocket no get up. But when any man control the Amex Mopa, you they record and avoid them. Member, eh? But till yesterday, some special control is there outside. They therefore control paper, control driving license, and then they work not only Kitu delegation for this side for littoral. They common mix with gendarme, routier them, even leaders them for syndicate them for Okada people, and even driver them, even taximen. Cargo on the two they be there. They bring all them. Say me they come together. I mean they go do the control. Me not that they abuse the people there for road. Me them tell they fulfill. They could beg you. Oh, show paper. You get the one. They say okay. You been a bench skin man now. Now I believe that this. You don't see it on something more. Take you. They carry our car go. Say the one. It go direct for community event, and you must pay fine for that side for all the things that happen for inside this country. See they carry na motor for Kitu. They carry the only packer for inside. If na motor Kitu man go share for inside. They say go. Even though they want go for road. If you get small chocolate, they just say go no. Kitu man come on take Okada come back. I don't go leave man. The way the motor the man don't go in. We continue now gonna to this time around. So for Douala here. When you work for Douala, oh boy, go for that side for knock back. Begin for that side for Bonamusa there for Ndokoti them. See the one they call and say see bedding ground. Burying ground, you feel go for bury your brother, you go for that side, snake bite you again, they can't bury you again for your brother and brother corner. And when before you want bury your brother for that side for cemetery dog back, you get for dig another man on that grave, move bone and through on one side, then put your own brother own, make it rotten. So other man who can't dig and move and put that aside, you can't move your own dig and that's why the path for that side for cemetery dog back because the cemetery, if you don't flop long time, but now cleaning even for the cut grass for this side, chapira. Oh boy, see play the very people. How that people no go vex? Eh? They even come up for night and one hold a meeting for that side for burying ground. All side it then a dirty for that side. So I will see for that side. Grass system it don't cover them. If you can't say one can saloya mami small mami na ha one can tap some more grace. You want come na snake step if you buy it for that side for sika say this so and it don't turn me for play with this so small tibody for quarter and after they go smoke oh. They buy them banger and tramo. They go smoke sleep for us. Quiet. So tell if you want enter, they see that somebody may hate so chance and somebody don't die who come. When I'm banger smokers, when I don't see no after say we will not be talk. Oh, more come over that side to for cemetery dog back way. If you go for cemetery New Bell, na cow them. They enjoy. They chop grass. Enjoy small fresh grass where they come up from die people. Me say manure with man the rotten. It gives small manure for grass. Grass they grow. The fresh cow come and chop. He go enjoy. We buy into market we chop. We go enjoy. If man be dying at sick, we too die sick. Any idea? We no fit talk that one how it happen. But we continue now. Kuna tori carry una go down for this side for Bafia. This market, this Jumba market for that side for Bafia. Palava urban disorder. Any man they do thing we want time for you. On time we correct for play with fish they correct you. Oga Mayo say the one na X and even the new side where they don't put the same they build the Jumba market. Some people don't come out say, you want be na my land. I don't buy the land. You want be na my the one. I don't do the one. Oga Mayo say una calm down. Governor don't talk say this 7 hectares for land I pay to go for beef better market with this so any man me can find them for right name make sure say me get the better store or it take legal place for be better store because it is so the market now one of the market for inside Bama they no go with it now one of the biggest market oh man it can't do small shopping for that side market day na market day motor no fit enter for inside market for go supply kako you no fit pass so drive your car pass through inside market so they say all that one e get for stop and people for that side for Bafia they get for respect law because law now anyway they use na red pen sign that one. Say so any moment from now they go start enter people they don't build store for corner road they go broke and track for make them in market it get better town better planning for that side and me people and too they enjoy to they come and say what order and not begin enjoy that so disorder it happen for that side for inside Mbam and Enugu so people continue to knock on a tourist this time around as come for that side for Bafia so Rolando. May we carry una go to the play the concert for inside Bui division precisely na for Milim. Holiday talent show, it be work a fine 3 to 4 months for that side. Enjoyment, picking the camp for that side. It be na small time for move small stress. No me na only say because na because for village they go only we can go that for farm. No me na all man they go farm. Even though they promoted them for this occasion, they talk for that side today, so it's not easy for them at all. For Sika saying, no, the until the two, it didn't happen fine for that side for Northwest and Southwest. It don't bring up the economic way it did down, activity work, I made chop the need to come also, till they didn't even enter, so activity they slow, but talents the day for that side. But they only that's a small support because this is small people get fun voice. Where if even sing for some choir, if even asking me do some kind of thing, but how they go do other one with it so their pocket it dry. Until the two it didn't happen for them for better way. Roland, since as you want more yetting where the promoter they cry and what to be that problem them, press button more yetting where they will tell you and how some you they don't benefit from this talent show for Inside Bui Division.
Mr. Lambert, for this opportunity you have given to me to express my impressions about this holidays talent show, which I organized since the 17th of July till today, the 15th of August 2018. In fact, what the children have been able to present have marveled me. I have been very shocked and very surprised to see the talents in the children, right in a village like Melim. But I hope that from what I have seen in the children, they have proven that they are not living in a village. These children, they have a lot in their minds. But my worry now is how to follow up these children so that the talents I've seen in them, they can really develop the talents. I am really, in fact, my dreams are very high, but my means are limited. I'm just calling on anyone who can come around to lay a helping hands on these children. I'm calling especially on the sons and daughters of Melim who are out of Melim to turn back and look at their children behind. The children have got a lot and it is missing in the village. That if they were to go out there, the children will become something very great tomorrow. I have really realized that children, young people, they have got lots and lots of talents. They just need occasions like these ones to showcase their talents.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
They need na only the kind occasion them for show weighty they fit do and weighty they no fit do. But more come for that side this time around carry una go and so for city we picking they fit do for holiday. Now for that side for Kachi Hausa for this play they concentrate for Nanga Iboko. They picking them and most them picking them they go for that side go knock some prayer Allahu Akbar la. After they don't knock prayer they take their hoe and cutlass carry do it with that spend them with wheelbarrow the way they become with them. Start begin clean cemetery. They say this so play with the burying ground. If you don't turn be like say this so now play with it go work farm on a bush. So they go cut all that grass. They say even though rain the fall, grass they fresh, all things just be fresh. They go clean up so that at least me their ancestors them. Me their pa they don't bury them for that side. Me the only begin get small sweetheart for them. Even though they say when man die, don't die. But at least African tradition they talk say this so me we respect with thy body them because thy body them sometimes they come up for now become work at the worry people for that side. So they want them for that side for Kachi Hausa. They come up work at clean grass, clean and carry and pack up for one place say this so rendezvous again where they get for come back for it. Now for make sure say may they bring small matches, light fire and for burn other one then after two they pray to they cook them small them say they want to fafa what una don't go do at least if una do pikin when pikin do farm work if you want tanky no na for give money for tanky na for give the one with the corn and say wetin small dame they cook them small rice all man just for that side they wash and fafa in the proper why they wait back at the stand away they like say if you be on for number 25 day for August we all man they only say they only pray for Papa Allah say meeting they happen fine for that side for Mecca as it happen fine the sea moon it means this so any man is prepared for do his own small sacrifice for inside this story for this country. We come up for that side carry una go time for that side for the pick. You know they pick me back as them. They don't be get school no. They be make their own kind of small town for that side when rain be fall. Now them know how they try for manage for that side. From going live for that side, Ngomna, he don't give them school. Where Ogadio, he go up and say picking them for pick me back at them. Now they go for Sukuru. They go for go learn book. They don't go for learn only how for set trap. They don't go for learn only how for use candlestick. And you know say back at the bone like a pig. Yeah, that is. They've hired people. They even tell Bamileke man the born. Bamileke man the born. Baka woman the born the year. One be next year again. It don't 2 times again. The other year born. It one be the other year don't 2 times. You don't want to begin for 14 years for back of that side. They say them. They don't get medicine for stop belly. Me you know the born. But they get medicine for make a woman the born quick. And then the beginning need to grow. You honestly they so. And then they pick me they know. So now pick me they go start go for school where they become that it been a celebration because you see the camp fan house so them they not be used to. They be used to for make their own house for inside forest when rain falls sometimes plenty. It's where you say this so use them it get small smiley heart. It feel fine. How he onset the two he go develop small because he did the highest till the can give now only bush meat. And if you only bring better bush meat, better chukuchuku beef. And see fine classroom now they don't be there for them. For same they go strong for them. So the old one where we don't the 4 Jengu one side. That one na history. That one go be na for back so con people as na hear how it happened for inside this country. It be been a glad heart for that side. We pick me back at the two. They celebrate down that yeah. Run. You know that song? When I begin doing that from thing, because that one I will read tradition that. Oh boy, why they sweet you? Me will carry on this time around for talk small to you for palava publicity. But this time we'll carry on a go down for this school they call the live bilingual nursing and primary school. Where you didn't have this time they call and say Susa people oh better one don't come for now. This one a good news for now. It is so Deeper Life Bible Church. It don't be fun school for that side. I say new kind school that the school na modern school. They bring up on nyanga way. This one so then inside Susa no be douala oh. Now for Susa, and this school, you get nursing section, then you get to the one of the corner, so you primary section, then school bus, for carry picking them. For right, they don't dig for right, they picking they drink better water. Toilet, na ponke, teacher, I say classroom get a 2 blackboard, one for left, one for right. You want on this side, you understand fine thing, and picking they get play, if you do small playing ball for that side, enjoy themselves for fine for that side. Thing way even make my heart self, is sweet plenty, and I say this so, you see this sukuru so? Nanjingiri money. If you hear the school fees, I say they did not say man not talk for now. So any my day for Susan, no cry, even though they say mommy them for Susan, they always pay school fees. You just picking them for class 1. If you go to class 3, but you see all school fees for class 1 for that side. Now why they do so Deeper Life, I see they do their own small charity work. They make the school fee me being ginger money, me picking only for class 5, they still ask school fees for class 2 or class 3 for other one. So any man way they so it for Susan. If you take that thing number for that side, you call. They go tell you how all thing in the work. Ponke. If you are picking there for corner bomono, the school board there for that side. If you can't do picking, he go leave for sukuru. Picking for that side, he go there for better way. Now who do have? Now Deeper Life Bible Church for Cameroon, where they give that one for picking them, and they even give them water for us. Say me neighbor, they begin can carry them because when you dig for that, you go for make them bless people. They say when you bless people, use yourself, you will be blessed. Rolando, time I reach for day, I met up teacher them for school. Now I ask them say so live bilingual na weti.
Of Susa.
Live bilingual na weti. I know you fine.
Live bilingual is the light of Susa. Live bilingual is the light of Susa.
Thank you.
Live bilingual is the light of Susa.
I don't hear no. I don't hear no. You want to get plenty time? People don't hear. So man will get sense. He no play for go, for help himself, for that side for Susan. Any other countryman that is small to read that will get them for that today for inside it with Tori time. You will see me again tomorrow. But before one come tomorrow, Rolando don't put a thing number with it. So when I say if we want some of the show na also small school or even on small business, you feel call with thing number, then we'll tell you how you will do for semi reach for Douala. If not, tomorrow, na country meeting, we'll go for Chakara Tori from 10 o'clock, go for 11:30 for morning time. No miss. If not, I will come back again, something for tomorrow again.